Yes, student, here is one of the ionic equation which we have to balance. Okay, the question will be given along with the equation will be given in the question. Therefore, you read the question carefully. Here, balance following ionic equation which takes place in acidic medium. I told you there may be three type of medium: neutral medium, acidic medium, or basic medium. So this time it is given in acidic medium using oxidation number method. Okay, now the two type of methods are there: oxidation number method and half reaction method. But this time, according to question, we have to solve it, okay, using oxidation number method. Student, how to go with steps? So the first step is what? To find, okay, oxidation number of all species. Now, how to find oxidation number? It is very easy. In previous class we have seen it. What? The oxygen, its oxidation state is -2, which is its common oxidation state. So with the help of it we can find the oxidation state of manganese. How it is? You do suppose Mn it is X, okay, and 4 to the -8. So plus -8 is equal to -1. It is because it is -1. So X -7 is equal to -1. I mean -8 is equal to -1. That is X value will be +7. So you write it the +7 above the manganese atom. Now iron oxidation state is already given. This iron +3 is already given and Mn +2 is already given. So need not to write find their oxidation state. It is because their state is already given. So our first step is completed. Second step, in second step we have to find, okay, oxidation and reduction. Getting, that is which species is getting oxidized and which one is getting reduced. Student, so for that what we have to do? We have to compare the reactant with product. Okay, this is the rough work, therefore I am erasing it. No need to write here. Now this is what? Mn in reactant side and this is Mn in product side. Getting? What is the difference here? +7 state is getting converted into +2. So we will write oxidation number decreases by how many? 5. +7 to +2. Now being it is decreases, therefore this process is known as reduction. Isn't it? Now compare another species. It is because in redox equation, if one is getting oxidized, then second one is getting reduced. So now if it is getting oxidized, that is reduced, then now compare this one. Now +2 is getting converted into +3. Means what? Oxidation number increases. +2 to +3. Therefore what we say? Increases by what? By 1. Okay, so now you write oxidation by what? 1 and a reduction by what? So 5. Okay, now balance. Okay, it, how to balance it? We do cross multiply it. How it is? The 1 should be multiplied by 5, therefore it will become 5. Getting? And the 5 should be multiplied by 1, therefore it becomes 5. So now here the oxidation and reduction magnitude is getting balanced, but we have to multiply this number, okay, by the species which is getting oxidized. So now we have to rewrite equation. On writing equation, MnO4 anion, okay, plus Fe plus 2 is giving what? Fe plus 3 plus Mn plus 2. Now, which one is getting oxidized? Iron. By earlier what? 1. So we have to multiply it by 5. So write here 5 before Fe and similarly 5 before Fe in product side. Now student, our iron and Mn are balanced, but oxygen remains to balance. So to balance oxygen, okay, because oxygen is only present which side? Reactant side. It is not present in product side. So to balance oxygen, put equal number of what? I told you, equal number of H2O. Okay, in which side? Right hand side. Getting? So now you do directly right here plus how many H2O? There is how many? 4 oxygen. So there will be 4 H2O. Thus oxygen is again balanced. Now the remaining thing is only hydrogen. So to balance hydrogen, okay, place equal number of what? H cation, because the reaction is in which medium? Acidic medium. So H cation in which side? Where it is deficient. So where it is deficient? It is deficient in left side. So RHS or what? H deficient side. Simply it is called H deficient side. Okay. So now H deficient side means this side. So I can put here how many? 4 to the 8. So 8 number of H cation. That means now the overall equation after balancing becomes what? MnO4 anion plus how many Fe? 5 Fe plus 2 plus how many H cation? So 8 number of what? H cation now is giving 5 Fe plus 3 plus Mn plus 2 plus 4 H2O. In this way we can balance the equation.